Did you know a doomsday cult once turned Tokyo's subway into a chemical weapon testing ground? March 20th, 1995. Rush hour. Millions of commuters packed into trains heading to work. But 5 cult members boarded different subway lines carrying plastic bags filled with deadly sarin gas. At exactly the same time, they punctured the bags and walked away. Passengers started collapsing mid-step, convulsing on platforms, foaming at the mouth. Nobody knew what was happening. Pure terror spread as the people trampled each other trying to escape. 14 people died. 6,000 were injured. Cult leader Shoko Asahara believed this attack would trigger the end of the world. Instead, it triggered his arrest.